In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini in Data Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, and what changes once it's activated, all in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, make sure you're on the Data Studio Home dashboard. This is the main landing page you see after signing in, where all your recent reports, dashboards, and data sources are displayed. It's basically your starting point for everything. From here, look at the top right corner of the screen and find the gear icon. This icon represents your settings menu, and it's where most advanced account-level features are managed, including Gemini. Click on the gear icon to open the settings panel. Once it opens, you'll see a list of different configuration options related to your account and product features. Take a moment to scan through it so you know where everything is located. Next, look for an option labeled Gemini Settings. This section is specifically designed to control AI features inside Data Studio, so once you find it, go ahead and click on it to continue. After entering the Gemini settings page, you'll see a simple interface with a toggle switch. This is where you can enable or disable Gemini depending on your account access and plan eligibility. Turn the toggle on to activate Gemini. Once enabled, Data Studio will start unlocking AI-powered features that help you build reports faster, analyze data more efficiently, and get smarter suggestions while working. For example, Gemini can assist with generating insights, helping you understand trends in your data, and even guiding you while building charts or dashboards. The goal is to reduce manual effort and make the workflow more intuitive. It's important to understand that enabling Gemini does not change your existing reports. Everything you've already built will stay the same. You're simply adding an extra layer of AI assistance on top of your current setup. However, there is one key requirement. Gemini is only available for users on the Data Studio Pro plan. If you're using the free version, you might not see the option at all, or it may appear locked or disabled. If that happens, double-check you're signed in with the correct account. Sometimes people are logged into their personal account instead of a workspace account, which can affect feature availability. Also, make sure your organization has upgraded to the Pro plan and that your user role has permission to access AI features. If you're unsure, it's worth checking with your administrator. If you've recently upgraded but still don't see Gemini, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Try refreshing your browser or logging out and back in to force an update. Using a modern, up-to-date browser also helps avoid display issues, since older versions may not fully support the latest interface changes in Data Studio. In some cases, Gemini may not be available due to regional rollout limitations or organizational settings. That's something controlled on the back end, so it's not always visible immediately to every user. Once everything is set up correctly, go back and confirm that the toggle is switched on. At that point, Gemini will be fully active inside your Data Studio environment. From there, you'll start noticing small improvements in how you interact with your reports. Things like faster suggestions, more guided analysis, and a smoother overall experience when working with data. And that's really all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Gemini Settings, and enable the feature. Once it's turned on, you'll have AI assistance built directly into your Data Studio workflow, helping you move faster and make better decisions with your data.